In 5 minutes, haha. Walang music. Walang music. Oh no, what happened? My monitor. It went to sleep. Um, Something's wrong. My monitor went to sleep. Yo, DJ59. Thanks, nag-live ka din ba? Ba't wala talagang music to? Ay, yung ano pala nandun. Kaya pala wala akong marinig. Ah, yung speaker. Lang. Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode.
Tin, tin. Ayan. Yo, Xiaopang. Wait lang. Ayusin ko lang yung monitor ko kasi namamatay. Anong problema nito? Na. May music ba? Na. Nag-game cam. Tutunan tayo mag-champion. Hoy! Iba nga yung laro to. Hindi. Papakita ko lang na kung paano maglaro gamit ang drawing tablet. Yo, Mary. Magalang hapon, Dark. Let's go, guys. Wait lang. Masyado palang maliit yung game sa ano, no? Or tama lang ba? Yeah, basta i-landscape nyo na lang. Hi, friends. Wait lang. Natutuwa na ako ngayon maglaro ng Farlight. Uy, gusto nyo ba sumali? Meron ba gusto sumali? Hulaan mo kung nasan uli ako. Nasa airplane ka na, Mary. What game? Farlight. May gusto ba sumali? Hehe. What the heck is this? Get 1,000. What's 1,600 minutes? Yes, wow. Farlight pala, kala ko Blood Strike. May namamatay na naman yung ano ko, yung monitor. Lagot. Ano nangyari? Lagot. Namatay monitor. Ah! Wait nga. Ayun na. Pwede mag-join? Ay, hindi pwede pag phone. Kasi, wait lang. Nasa kabilang ano yung ano ko eh. Settings. Display. Ay, tama ba? At hindi lumipat yung monitor. Ayan pala. Ayan na. Hello, Sakrin. Yoku Jolie. Wala bang ano? Gusto sumali? Magsa-solo ako. I'm gonna play solo. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's start. We're gonna... Hello. Hello, Mr. Firelight. We're gonna try to win and get carried. Hello, I'm fourth. Okay, wait. Ay, matched agad. Di pa ako nakapag-practice. Still using a pen. Yes. Okay. Roman numerals that I cannot read the name of. Okay. Let's, I hope I'm not solo. Yes. I'm not solo. Look! The... I have global number something teammate. I'm gonna get carried again. Ay, hindi solo. Hala, bakit nagkakaganito yung ano ko? Let's go. Gonna get carried. We're gonna loot and then get carried. Easy win. Oh my gosh. Philippines! What the heck? Lakas yan kahit naka-pentam. Ayan na, may mouse sa gilid. Wait, I forgot how to play. I don't remember how to play. I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. Rick, I'm on the ground. I dodge! I dodge! We watch our team. Ay, buhay. It's fine. Masyado ba malakas yung sounds? Or tama lang? Wow, dead last. One hit. It's okay. It's because we didn't get to warm up. Jeez. We're gonna warm up first. OMG, nagtatagalog. Nagulat ka. I can. Yoshin. Oh my gosh, my monitor is...
Reloading. Don't rush me. Reaper. Music to my ears.
Wow, pew-pew si Lola. Veteran ng World War II. Lapit ako sa kanila.
Reloading. Wait for me.
Eh, bumabarit sa akin kanina. Warm up. I'm warming up.
Giving ammo.
Whee!
Reloading. Don't
Oh
rush.
my gosh. I don't remember. Don't kill me! She's inside. What? She's staying open. She's going through the map. She's inside the map. Okay. Afrik! Sabugang mango float. Wait lang, I got a sniper. I'm excited. Ay, ano ba yan? Yan. At least pag nakakapag-practice ako, feeling ko kaya ko nang bumaril. Kasi kapag walang warm up, I forget. Oh my gosh, number 41 bow in North America. Anong laro yan? Firelight. Firelight 84. Para siyang... Ang comment ng friend ko ay mas pinadaling Apex daw. Battle Royale. Meron siyang third person dati, pero nag-relaunch siya nung August. So, first person na siya. Sniper, parang pagkuha mo ng mangga sa kapitbahay. Ha? Uy, by the way, yung mangga namin na Indian mango, may ano na. Namumunga na. Feelings niya. Uy! Katakot naman yung mga kalaban. Anong gamit mo, mouse? Pang drawing? Oo. kaya naka handcam. Oh, I'm the Jet Master. Saan daw?
Follow me.
Saan tayo? Doon na lang sa Nova Bazaar. I think. Saan ba? FF launch.
Commencing operation.
Dito. Apex yung lalaro ko. Mas gusto ko yung nahihirapan. Grabe naman. What the heck? Umalis yung mga kakampi ko! I'm scared! Ay, nandun siya sa taas. Fork knife. Hello, Sebastian. I'm all good.
We're all in the safe zone.
Walang katao-tao dito.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully. But you shouldn't hesitate. Don't pry into my choices.
What's
It's a
this?
secret.
I like this game, but they removed the jetpack. Oo. Ay, na-loot na. Saan may naririnig ako? May kalaban ba? Oh my gosh. Meron kasi ako sniper eh, kaya gusto ko maghanap ng kalaban. Kaso mukhang wala. Anyways, looting time! It's like constantly sick. What do you mean? But I am kinda sick today. Apex na Apex siya with lower graphics. Saan yung barilan? Makikisali kami.
Never seen someone that weak before.
That's the only thing I can do here in this game. Get carried.
Another one down.
And steal kills of others.
Another knockdown. A new Reaper. Reloading. Wait for me. Do I get a
Oh, freak. Yung monitor ka, nawawala.
Switching out my ammo.
Tunog may sipon ka daw. Ay, gusto ko yung M16. Nasaan kalaban?
Your entire squad looks good on the ground. Go here. You'll enjoy it.
Is this Farlight? Yes, it is Farlight Veniant.
I'm hit. Enemy shield shattered. Enemy knocked down. Reloading.
Tear them apart.
So fun to get carried.
So far, so good. Just seeing to my injuries. Restoring shield.
I'm gonna go to an adventure. In an adventure pala.
Got him. Don't look surprised.
We're going on an adventure, guys. Yo, Nephirim. Yung sundan ako ng kakampi ko.
Upgrades, here we come.
Restoring shield will take a while.
Oh my gosh, yung ano ko, monitor laging namamatay.
Enemy down.
Reloading. Don't rush me.
Oh, their little shield was paper thin. I'm down.
Oh shoot.
Isn't good.
Ay, freak!
I've been hit.
It was my bad. I went there. Kabos may nagsabi ng enemy shield shattered. Keyboard flex na naman. I threw! Lagi na lang ako nagsa-throw. Hirap naman magpabuhat. That aim though. At least I got 4 boxes. I couldn't aim. I'd have no aim. Meron ditong wait lang, ayusin ko nga yung monitor ko. Bakit ba ganito to? Ano bang problema na ito? Lag kasi siyang bumababa. Ayan. Tawag doon. Uy, ano ko, sniper. Ba't walang kalaban dito? Maganda na yung pwesto ko. Doon nga tayo. Hindi ako makakaakyat doon. Ay, hindi pwede umakyat. Spray and pray mo lang. Oh, may daanan dito. Ba't walang kalaban? I need to practice. Actually, hindi ko alam kung nasan yung mga kalaban kasi hindi ko marinig. Yo, Jaser. Yo, konnichiwa. Hindi Yogi Art. Marhaya. Wait.
Friends? One's plenty.
Buti, alam niyo yung pinaka-kinatatakutan ko na mga pag naglalaro ko nito. Yung pareho sila ng squad. Tapos, tas ang layo-layo ko sa kanila minsan. Tas ako, mamamatay silang dalawa. Tas ako yung pag-asa ng bayan. Nakaka-pressure. Tas wala akong tulong sa kanila. Kasi sila lang yung pumapatay ako naglulot kung saan man. Uy, nakiyas pa nga. Mag-animate ka na. Joke lang. Uy, number 75 in Asia. Tignan mo, ba't ganito yung mga kakampi ko at kalaban? I'm the jet master. Doon tayo, tara. Ito, favorite na babaan ng mga tao eh. Ginagaya ko na lang sila. I need a nice gun. Bakit ganito yung guns? Ito na nga lang. Kaso hindi ko kaya mag-aim gamit to eh.
Hmm? Somebody's still outside the next safe zone. Pick a trait. What'll help me punish my next
Uzi. Ito na nga lang.
Looks like someone
Let's
beat
go.
us to it.
BSS na naman. May kalaban siya. Ayun, invader.
Ambush sighted. Restoring.
Hala, bakit may kalaban? Oh shoot, ang daming kalaban. Apat. I'm gonna run away. Because I'm scared. Hala, ano nangyari?
Pick a trait.
Ba't namatay yung monitor again?
What'll help me punish my next opponent.
Anyways.
Help me. I have so much more to
Sorry, guys. I'm going somewhere else. Dito pala. Anong laro yan, te? Firelight. Tada! Tapos i-respawn ko na siya.
In the palm of my
Ay, hindi, i-respawn na siya nung kakampi namin. Oh, shoot. There's... Hindi pa ba siya na-resurrect? What is this? Ay, na-resurrect na siya. Ni-spectate niya ako. Ni-spectate ako nung kakampi ko.
Pick a trait. Enough with the hide and seek.
Katakot naman yun.
enemy shield.
Firelight ba to, ya?
I'm reloading. Eliminated.
Tignan mo, nagbabarilan sila. Ako nag-explore. Tama naman yung ginagawa nila. Mali lang yung ginagawa ko. Dapat wag kang lalayo sa kakampi mo. Nasa liga lang mag-explore eh.
Pick a trait.
Sama na ako.
What'll help me punish my next opponent.
Ah! Wait lang. Meron ako ditong ano eh. Ano na yun? Ito ba yun? Ano ba yun? Ah, may kalaban. Scary. Oh my gosh, what the freak? Scary! Ano to? Firelight. Yung ganito pang pag-restore. 6 enemies scanned in the area.
Everyone should start from the bottom. That's the only way to learn how painful it is to fall. Using that kit.
Bakit niya ako inaatake? I'm scared.
But I expect you to pay me back double.
Wait lang. Gusto ko yung baril niya.
Enemy squad down.
I'm scared!
Almost done.
What the freak? I'm scared, Mom! Help me!
That little one. They've been hit. Total elimination. Pick a trait.
Frick! That was so scary! Oh my gosh, I've been scanned by a...
Healing up. Almost done.
I'm scared! Rage Baiter is back.
Hunting goggles here.
Buti na lang hindi maayos yung kalaban. Kung hindi, oh my gosh. I was dead there. Nasaan na ba sila?
Ready for another landing. Enemy spotted.
May enemies.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully.
Bakit tayo heal? Ay, mali pala kasing pinipili ko.
Shield recharging.
Restoring my shields. I'll be all right in a minute.
Enough with the hide and seek.
Restoring shields. Sorry, guys. Hang in there. I'm under attack. Need reinforcements.
Wait lang, kukunin ko lang to. XP. Rage Baiter is back. What do you mean I'm not a Rage Baiter?
And we're close to the next.
If only leveling up outside were this easy.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
My shields.
Yes. Oh, right through their shields.
Changing ammunition.
Pick a trait. What'll help me punish my beast? Been hit.
Scary! Mali pa yung ginagamit ko! Freak! Mali yung ginagamit ko pang shield. Nagpapanik. Kailangan maglulutog ng munggo.
I won't regret it.
Two enemy squads left.
Just a moment. I'm reloading. A squad mate has fallen. We must stay vigilant. Enemy shield shattered.
Grabe, mga galaw nila, oh. Ganyan lang yung ginagawa ko minsan, eh. Nag-i-spectate ako kung paano ba talaga maglaro. Uy, nare-resurrect ako. Hala, mga bubuhay pa ba kaya ako dito?
Using medkit.
The safe zone's shrinking, but we're close.
Ooh, I alive and kicking, guys.
30 seconds. We're close to the next safe zone. New buddy has arrived.
Oh my gosh, hello. Wait lang.
The enemy got to the sponsor box before us.
Ooh.
Refilling ammo.
Hello po, she crafting her kills. Ano ba nilalaro nyo? Hello, Ulam Bent. Hello, Eronir. I'm playing Firelight.
Enough with the hide and seek.
I took down an enemy. Yes. Or right through their shield. I'm hit. Restoring shield.
Oh, nandito may mga kalaban.
Confirmed. And we're already in it.
Ah! Sino makakampi ko?
Reloading as fast as I
I'm
can.
scared.
Wait a sec.
Oh, shoot.
Restoring my shields. I'll be all right in a minute.
Restoring shield.
Siyempre magluluto muna.
That little one shields us then.
Ah, I'm scared!
Everyone's made it to the safe zone as
I dodge! I dodge!
with an eye. Anything goes.
Naalala nyo pa po na ako. Ha? Mouse po gamit nyo, hindi. Ano to? Drawing tab. Wait lang, ayusin ko yung monitor ko finally. Grabe mag-ano yung mga kakampi. Bakit ganun? Ba't pag nakalabot kasi siya bumababa? Wow, galing ng mga teammates ko. Gawing gameplay. Grabe yung mga... Hindi pwede, hindi ako dito pwede. Bakit nandito kasi ako? Sa mga lobby na to.
Just patching myself up.
What the heck? Na-resurrect ako. What the heck? What the heck? Matry nga yung drawing tab sa Apex. Mas accurate yung aim.
Open fire. Watch for enemy activity.
Ay, wait, what the heck?
Excellent.
Kasi yung mga kalaban.
Safe zone as
Basta may mga kakampi ko.
As fast as I can. Wait a sec.
Samahan ko nga.
Restoring shield. You can't hide from me.
He died again. umambog. Ay, nako.
Keep up the good work. This is a lesson I won't forget. Bring me back. There's still intel I can gather.
Nice.
Changing ammunition.
I'm sorry, Marcel.
Moving in med.
A squad mate got eliminated. I'm on my way.
I got scared to victory. Ganyan yung nangyayari sa akin when I play. Yes, yun lang. Oh my gosh. Tignan nyo. Look, oh. Look, see? This is me. But usually this is below 1,000. So, yeah. My God, it's so funny. What the heck? Ayoko sumabay sa kanila. Hindi. Lagi naman ako nasasabay sa mga sa mga ganun. So, I don't even know. I'm just... nagkakaganito pa rin yung monitor. What's wrong with you? Wait lang, ayusin ko lang. I got disconnected, it said, but now I'm reconnected. Hello. I'm disconnected again, but now I'm reconnected again. Okay na. Yeah, yung wires nga, hindi ko pa kasi inaayos. Okay, start. Start to. Oh, Farlight. Yo, guys. Let me know lang kung may sasali. Where is my neck thingy? Parang neck brace. Ano ito?
I make quick work of it. A new Reaper? Good luck with that.
Pew. No, Farlight. Can you crossplay? No. Cable management next live. No! Sino ba yung main sniper? Ayun na naman nga. Ang cable. Wait, ayusin nga natin. It's not fun to play na nagugulo every now and then.
A new Reaper? Good luck with that.
Your inconstant font expression. Ha? Ganda ng Interstellar, madam. Grabe. Yung pinanood nyo kagabi? Ba't walang kalaban? Ayun. Ah. Oh my gosh. Yan. Hopefully it's better. Wait, where's my ano pala? Yung, hanapin ko lang yung ano sa leeg ko.
Welcome to the Farlight Cup.
Oh no, I can't find my neck thingy. It's fine. Ano lang, tawag doon? Stretch ng leeg. Na all my leg. Stretch. Stretch sa taas. Stretch sa baba. Dahil sasakit ang ano mo, leeg. Ayan. No, ano naman, shoulders. Oh my gosh, scary! Hala! Kakalaban ko na yung kakampi ko kanina. Oh my gosh.
Where have my little victims run off to?
So, saan kami? Yo, Shadow. Hello, Nenon. Susundan. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Natutulog ata si Niebno. Grabe naman stiff neck. Yan, isang buwan. Kaya nga. Hindi nga na nga siya stiff neck. Nagamot na nga rin ako. Uy! Maganda yung pupuntahan namin. Ata. Uy, ayoko dito sa doon ako sa taas. Ayoko mag-share ng ano, resources. Damot eh, no? Wala pa nga tuloy akong gun. Signs of aging na ata. Ito ba yung di pwede? Yes, hindi pwede, Ramor.
Pick a
Wait
tree.
nga, iusog ko nga yung ano.
What'll help me punish my next opponent?
XP devices have arrived.
Ang bigat kasi nun eh, nung baril na yun, yung Tyrant LMG. Ano tong area na to? What's this? Bakit may bilog siya? Gusto ko rin sumakay sa zipline. Nice one. Nasaan yung isa pang mahabang zipline? Ayun.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully. But you shouldn't hesitate forever.
Sasakay tayo ng zipline. Sometimes it's fun to just
Don't pry into my choices.
roam around.
The Reaper, or like my next victim.
Woo! Layo ko na. Uy, may ano dun, may something. Wow, ang saya! Ang layo nito! Ang saya! Ang saya! Peak gameplay. Yes, riding the zipline is nice. Ang saya mag-zipline. Ang haba nun. Can I play? You can join later. Basta PC. Basta PC, guys. Wala, sumasakit na yung ano ko, yung shoulder ko. Yun, may gold, may gold. Ang haba nun, ang haba. No cooking today. Yes, tuwing Sunday lang, usually. Ang cooking.
Just half the squads are left.
Oh, M2. M4. Ang saya naman mag-loot dito. Oh my gosh, yung safe zone. Ah, kailangan ko na umalis. Paano ako makakaalis dito? Sasakay uli akong zipline. Oh my gosh, tatakbo na lang ako. Freak! I'm gonna die. I gotta run away. Yun, meron dun. Sasakay ako dun. Yay! Loot muna bago sumakay. Sakay na. Nasaan na ba yung mga kakampi ko? Wala, Wonder Garden. Ang layo naman ng safe zone. Ang layo mo, madam. Layo nga eh. Nanguhuli lang ako ng Pokemon para may XP. O yung may ano, may gold box. Hindi ko nga alam kung anong ginagawa ng mga Pokemon na yan eh. Siyempre may gun lang ako. Just in case.
Tactical glove here.
Nasaan na yun? Ayun.
Make a trade? What'll help me punish my next one?
No squad mates to resurrect. But why?
Made of paper. Reloading. Don't rush me. Knock down an enemy. Another one knocked down. No sweat lost. Enemy squad defeated. That's another one down. There's a false one.
Grabe, pumapatay na sila. Oh my gosh, sobrang nakababa na pala yung monitor. Ayun, may kulay purple. Ah! Diyan na pala yung save zone. Ba't ang bilis?
Safe zone.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully, but you shouldn't hesitate forever.
Patching up. Just a scratch.
Yowashi, nawala talaga yung old man na character. I just came to say hi. Yes, I use a drawing pad. Cause may masakit sa kamay yung mouse. I never played with a mouse.
It's dangerous here. I like it. That hurts. I won't forget that. The restoring shield will take a while. It's dangerous here. I like it. I'll turn them all to dust.
Enough with the hide and seek.
Enemy squad. Getting ammo. A few tricky squads attacking. Damn it, Tito.
Nasaan? Nasaan? Gusto ko rin.
Down. Isn't good. Don't get cocky. No, not under disrespect using a drawing pad. At least we're gonna get respawned. Oh my gosh! Knocked out.
El Pro. Ay, iba pala yung pumatay sa akin. Thanks.
Not bad at all.
Nangagaw siya ng mga loot! Give me loot!
Rifle here.
Uy,
Found an enemy. Level 5 shield. Got him. Getting ammo.
what the heck?
Patching up.
Nasaan? Oh shoot.
Gonna go back in force.
That's scary. I'm scared! I don't even have anything.
Looks like we're all
I don't
almost
have
at buddy
anything.
has arrived.
Bala kayo dyan. Magluluto ako. Bala kayo dyan, guys. What the heck? Wala man lang akong scope. I dodge. Oh my gosh, andito si Ducky. Sa taas.
That's the law of the battle.
Have a good rest of your stream. Thank you. We dodge all. We all dodge. Lobby. Dami. Okay, last 30 minutes of stream. Yan. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Wala ba sasali? Oo nga. Click to see details. Ayan, nakita nyo? This is me! That's what I usually just do. $62. Sayang di pa 6-7. Because I don't know how to play this. My friend just invited me to play this. And it's super fun looting. That's it. And then you get some kills. And it's fun. Ganun lang. Oh, hindi na ako nakapag-warm up. Stretch your neck. Stretch your shoulders. Stretch. Mas maganda yung dati lahat nalipad. Ngayon si Maggie na lang. Actually, hindi ako nun, nag-start lang ako nung relaunch. Hala, may problema na yung aking mount. Dahil lagi na siyang nag-detail. Uh-oh. Anyways. Confirm.
Get ready to handle
Number 35 in Japan.
Preparations are over. Let the back hand to our light catchers. I can't wait to see you in that last one top-looking team. They're gonna be hard to beat.
Jetpack na nga lang yung nagpa-unique, tinanggal pa. Saan tayo? Saan tayo, guys? Hydroponic garden. Ay, sa Wonder Garden. Ay, saan kami? Ay, sa city center. May mga kalaban rin, no?
the winds are turbulent. We are not alone.
Wala pa akong baril! Freak! Uh-oh! Napunta sa akin yung auto-aim gun. Uh-oh! I can kill people here. Because I got my auto-aim gun.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully, but you shouldn't hesitate for them.
Another one down.
That little one's shield just vanished. Restoring shield.
Mali, R. What the heck? Nawala siya.
Another enemy knocked down. Enemy down. Another squad has the snare sight. I'm under attack.
Spill the tea. Me the tea. I did! I did! Because I used... I didn't aim. Ang ganda niya! Ang ganda nung pumatay sa akin.
That's the law of the battlefield.
Wala, ang ganda rin ni... Nun. Why are they all beautiful?
Enemy squad wiped out. Squad enemy shield shattered. Just restoring my shield.
No, cheated. Ba't parang na-nerf yung auto-aim gun? Hindi. Pumasok lang ako dun sa sa kalaban with ng dire-diretso. Hala, may problema na tong command. It's always tilting. Oh no. Paano yan? Anong gagawin ko dito? Lagi nagtitilt na yung ko, yung monitor. Ate Marhay, you are more beautiful than him. Wow! Bigyan yan ng star. Joke lang. Bili ng bago. Only you can give a glowing stick. What? Oh, I got a sniper. Hirap naman itong sniper na to. Ang bigat.
Shield just vanished. A new Reaper? Good luck with that. Reloading. Little one shield just vanished.
Hirap naman na ito.
A new Reaper.
Wala man ako makita.
Good luck with that.
Wala nagpapakitang kalaban. Ayun. Ah! I need the hype! Ganyan-ganyan ako sa Apex habang busy makipagbarilan. Ako naman nasa kantasan kalaban na. Ay, I got sniper uli. Let's go, let's go. Ah! Shotgun lang kaya ko gamitin. Ako!
Professional.
Hindi ko masasabing kayang gawin. Parang ang lagi ko ginagamit, rifle. Harap-harapan. Shotgun. Dati meron akong isang game na shotgun lang yung nakuha ko. Tapos, na-try ko siya. Masaya rin. Wala, global. Tignan nyo yung mga kalaban, mga global. Ay, mga kakampi. Maawa ko sa kanila. Oh my gosh. Grabe naman tong mga kalaban. Maawa ko sa kanila, ba't ako yung nakakampi nila? Ba yun? Nagpapas man na yung kamay ko. Dahil sa kaba. Saan kaya kami lalapag? Ala! Nakalimutan niya mag...
Someone beat us activating airdrop subroutine. Safe zone is shrinking, but we're close.
AFK. Masyado ka daw malakas kaya gan. Bagal naman namin mag-drop. O yan ka, meron nga. Tignan mo naman. May mga baril na yung kalaban, tapos pag nag-drop kami, mamamatay na lang kami.
30 seconds.
Susunod nga ako dun sa ano.
Safe zone.
Dito nga ako. Naku, sniper pa yung nakuha ko. Let's go.
Pick a
Low-key
tray.
drop lang. Kalahati na lang natitira sa kalaban. Hindi pa rin nakaka-drop.
Try again. Altruism is a
A
human
new
virtue.
rebirth.
Yun yung AFK namin kakampi. Nasaan to? Nasaan yung gold na box? Yun yung gusto ko eh. Ayun, yehey! Uy, may ano? Lagot. Gagamitin natin yan. Uy, meron na namang ano. Ba yan? Kahit na ano, mag-aim, hindi ko pa kaya. Ano ba yan?
Pick a trait. That'll help me punish my next opponent.
M16. Agis mo sa kalaban yung Pokemon. Wait lang, titignan ko kung may ano, may kalaban dito.
If only leveling up outside were this easy.
Diyan na, mahala na yan dyan lang. Hindi na naman makikita kung may kalaban.
Excellent.
Oh shoot, ang daming kalaban dun, ang daming kalaban dun. Freak, 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 takbo, takbo, takbo. Takbo, I wanna survive. I want to be called a survivor. Oo nga, yung petal peeper. Yan tsaka yung isa, yung
But you shouldn't.
yung parang skunk ba yun? Yung kumukuha, nangunguha ng ano, yung nangunguha ng mga bagay-bagay. Yun lang yung dalawa kong alam na gamitin. Pati yung cloud pala. Ay, hindi. Alam ko rin pala gamitin yung isa. Yung nagta-transform.
Sponsor box box.
Bye, guys. It was all nice meeting you. Ay, dito rin pala sila. Uy, may gold na box. May gold na box. Ano ba tong weapon pad? Nasaan yung ano?
Half the squads are down. Good stuff.
Pick a trait.
Nasa baba.
What'll help me punish my next opponent?
La la la. Just exploring.
No target spotted.
Hornet pistol ulit. Walang enemies daw dito. Maswerte tayo. Hindi nabalian. Ano hindi nabalian? Nasaan ba yun? Ay, nasa baba. Yung XP device. Tingin muna, baka may kalaban.
Pick a trait. What'll help me punish my next opponent?
You have been detected by a scan device. Pupuntahan na ba ako ng kalaban?
I've been knocked down.
Lo, ba't sila namatay? Ay, frick! Ah! L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. L-O-V-E. I love you and you love me. L-O-V-E. That's the way it's meant to be.
Reboot. Try again.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
There's a respawn device here. Request
Ah, i-respawn ko pala sila. Oops, sorry po.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully. Hesitate forever.
Listen up. We got a squad mate down. Things are getting serious. Sponsor box is open. And it's all out.
Nasaan ba yung kakampi ko isa? Ay, nandito sa labas.
Pedal beaver scan complete. No targets found.
Good luck, guys. May makikita tayo dito na kakalaban, I think. May mga naglaban na dito. I'm ready. He is for eggnogs. He is for everything is fantasy. Ho, ho, ho.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully. But you shouldn't hesitate forever.
What the heck? Somebody is led in front of me, diba?
Open fire! Get them.
I'm scared. I ran away. E is for A. What's up, Doc?
Bring me back. We had a good
Sabi sa inyo. I dodge. As usual, this is the what happens. At least there's a possibility I can live.
Still work? They might make up for a
Again.
lack of numbers.
Oh, I'm being resurrected. Nice.
Not bad. Not bad.
Gagaling mamaril pang M7. Malabea.
I'm already gathering data.
Oh no, I don't have a scope. I need a scope. It's fine. I got Hornet pistol on me. Wala, dito ako namatay, di ba? Di ba dito ako namatay?
Flawless accuracy.
Am I tripping?
30 seconds. We're close
Oh,
to
dito ako namatay.
Shields shattered. 3 enemy squads.
Nandito yung box ko.
Enemy knockdown.
Nasaan yung box ko? Ha? What the heck
Empty clips are a definite no.
is Or bakit mo nilabas yung pagmamahal mo? Sakay ako dyan sa cloud. Sama ako. Sakay tayo sa cloud. Tara.
Enemy out of the game. I've been knocked down. Requesting help.
Yay, may scope na ako!
Save you. Think about your happy place. This is the end. Just a little downtime.
Naol din nadala sa
There's a respawn
ulap.
device.
Looted na nga ni.
Requesting rescue.
Wala nang mas. Yes, we just
Down a
loot.
squad mate? That's not good.
Yes, marami na akong bagay. Patay na rin pala uli yung kakampi namin. Magpe-petal pepper nga ako. Para hindi na naman ako mamatay. Ay, wala na pala yung petal pepper ko. Sad. I'll just cover. Yung galing, oh. Nananakaw rin pala tong, panda. I didn't know. Order is the new meta. Sundan namin si Sakura. Si Sakura yung nabubuhay. Kaming dalawang lagi namamatay. Ano ba to? Hindi ko alam kung ano siya. Smoky. Generate smoke.
30 seconds remaining. Luckily, the safe zone is close.
Sakura knows what's up. Parang may sumakay dun sa ano. Need cover. I need cover.
Shield recharging.
Heh!
Under defeat in the
Lobby. Okay. Last one. Last game. Galing talaga pang M7. Okay, let's go. Last one. And then we will end stream. Invite to squad nga ni. Anong invite to squad? Ha? Ay, meron ba? Wait, exit muna. Sasali ba si Dark? Kanina mo ka ba nag-i-invite? Ay, ganun ba? Hala, sorry! Wait lang. Paano ko ba i-exit to? Ayaw niya mag-exit. Hala! Pwede ba ako dito mag-exit? Hala, hindi ko alam. Next time na lang. Sige. Sorry, hindi, hindi ko kasi nakikita. Nandun kasi ako pumupunta sa, dumidiretso kasi ako sa warm up. So, Pagsali kayo, i-chat nyo na lang dyan sa, sa TikTok para makita ko kasi. Hala, frontrunners kami. Bubuhatin ako nung kakampi ko. Isipin mo na lang single ka. Sorry, guys. Saan kami? Sa emergency center? Bakit sa emergency center? Ngayon pa lang ata ako dyan makakapunta. Wow, nasa baba siya. Paano kami makakaalis dito? Oh my gosh, may kalaban pero wala akong baril. Freak! Yun, may baril na ako. Ay, kaso, sniper! Freak, sniper! Ayoko, sniper! Wala na bang ibang baril?
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully.
Yun.
You shouldn't hesitate forever.
Ha! Buti na lang.
30 seconds and the safe zone's still far away. Chop chop.
Give me a sec. I'll recover in no time. I sense danger.
Wait lang. Papalitan ko muna ito, no? Ng, machine gun.
That little one's shield just vanished. Reloading. Don't rush me. Impossible. We're down a squad mate.
Man!
Battlefield.
Kasi tingnan yung mag-ML na yan. Hindi okay na nakalaro naman siya kahit diesel eh.
Some rifle ammo, please.
Go, guys.
Maybe we'll get you back.
Go Eustace bag.
Defeated. Another one bites the dust. Reloading. Get the tag. Using medkit. Restoring shield.
Kasi tignan nyo mag-ML na yun. Yan yung pumatay sa akin.
Reloading.
Hirap talaga ipang-aim yung VSS. Ayun lang.
Performance bonus.
Ah, ito. Tara, Dark. Lobby. Tara, tara, tara. Si malupit na tinapay. Let's go. Ready. Rank third person! Ooh! First time ko lang nata doon makakapunta sa rank third person. Yay! Wow! Nakikita ko si Phantom. Woo!
Open fire. Another one down. Reaper, music to my ears.
Ay! Tapos na. Kilig. Let's go. Like you found. Ganun pala sa third person. Di ako nito nakalaro eh, nung bago mag-relaunch. Wala pa masyadong tao pala sa third person. Ah, okay.
With work of their shield, didn't I?
Sprayed. Tingnan mo grips. Tingin ng grip mo sa mouse. Hindi ko kaya! Yung daliri ko. Alam niyo yung daliri ko, di ba? Kaya kapag magmamouse ako, hindi ko kaya. Masakit, sobrang sakit. Ang sakit sobra. Parang gumaganon yung fingers ko. Kaya, ito, simula nung... Ito lang talaga yung gawit ko. Hindi ko kaya. Oo, naka-tablet. Sakit. Sakit sobrang. Naol gumagan. Uy, global!
For everything we own.
Si Hyboridu. Hybrid. Kala ko namamalikmata lang ako. Oo, ito yung gawit ko. Ito yung mouse sa gilid. Ginagamit ko to pang right click. Pero pag ano yun, pag aalis sa skill. Pero ang scope ko ay caps lock. Yo. Wait, last few minutes. Front runners. Scary, scary, scary. Let's go. New character nasa guild. Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko nga alam kilala yung mga character dito. I think we're going to the bomb hole. Okay, I got a nice gun.
Just down to cargo ground. Let's see if it's worth salvaging.
Someone just scored the first point. The next safe zone's not far. Let's go.
Open enemy shield. Pick a trait? Well, help me punish my next opponent. Reloading. Wait for me. Work of their shield, didn't I?
Enemy defeated.
30 seconds remaining. Next safe.
May tao sa bobo.
Just down to cargo.
Paano yun? Gusto ko lang mag-loot muna. Hindi kalaban yung nasa wall. Kalaban. Wait lang.
Pick a
Samahan ko si Dark pagkatapos ko mag-loot. Ayan, tapos na mag-loot.
punish my next opponent.
Oo, meron ako sniper pala.
Can someone help me?
Oh my gosh. Wait lang.
Failed.
Kaya ko ba kayong i-resurrect?
What device is over there? Please save me.
Out here in the open.
We're down a squad mate? That's not good.
So much.
Freak! I died! Yun yata yung pinatay ko kanina. Dami dyan. Dalawa. Nandiyan pa si Hybridu.
Very well. I'm coming to help.
Oh no, umatake siya. Eh, kulay purple na yung shield nun. Uy. Wow, nice. Anong laro po yan? Farlight. Official Aki. Pwede palang sumakay sa ano. Pwede palang sumakay sa doon. Oh my gosh, scary. Nahabol siya. Ayun, merong ano. Sakay.
Danger under sighted.
Scary naman yung nahabol siya. Ganda ng keyboard. Thank you. Yo, Sunny. Hindi ako yung naglalaro, by the way, nag-i-spectate kami nung kakampi ko. Kasi, tawag doon, namatay kami dalawa ni Dark. Grabing matay yung gising na gising. Ha? Ang sakit ng pagbagsak. We're getting carried. Ay, oo, bagong pala champion. Oh my gosh. May nakasalubong siya. Isa pa. Last na talaga. Last na. Ready. Let's go. Warm up muna. May tanong pala ako sa'yo pero di ka na in-game. Ano yun? Ano itatanong mo? Uy, naka-ano ko. Naka-sniper.
That little one's shield just vanished.
Gusto niya patayin. What the heck? Kala mo papatayin rin kita, pabalik. Saan na yun? About sa pag-stream ng mobile. Kinakast ko gamit sa TikTok Live Studio kasi meron. Ba't walang kalaban? Enjoy your stream. Thank you. Kung kailan nagkaroon ng kalaban, doon may nawala. Let's go. Let's go. Naka-gray out sa akin, pati yung option na virtual camera. OBS tuloy gamit ko. Dati may ganun rin ako, pero hintay ka lang ng after 2 days. After 2 days, or after a week, babalik na siya. Nagkaganyan rin yun sa akin dati. Uy, ang cute naman niya. Ang cute ng Michelle. Ipad muna ako. Okay. Wag magpapabangga sa sa buildings. Thanks for being here, Mr. Nonsense. Last G, last G. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Popcorn. Ayoko nga pakita mukha akong naked. Mas cute pa yung nasa taas. Wow!
To fight together is my honor.
Yeah. Basta, pag hindi hintayin mo na lang na mapunta yung yung option. Kasi hindi ko alam bug ata yun Yung naka-gray out.
Wish me luck.
Another squad is dropped.
Oh my gosh, kalaban.
I made quick work.
I don't have freaking ammo! Kailan ko daw mag-stream muna at least 25 minutes for 3 days. Talaga?
Over here. Requesting reinforcements. I just had a clear field. Now that's a perfect curtain call.
Nice one!
Goodbye.
Uy! Uy! I got the auto-aim gun.
One's made it to the safe zone as planned.
Shield recharging. Safety comes first on stage. Ouch! It just hurt.
Timer ulit. 15 minutes. Wala po akong scope. I can't live without a scope. Ayoko na itong scope na to. Hindi ko alam kung nakatch ko yun. Saan ba yung pintuan na ito? Ayakalbo. What the chaotic match. Uy! Kulay What the heck? Yun, kinuha ko lang yung mga attachments. Ayun ang pagkakataon sa akin. Yay, zipline time! Uy, nasa Mega Factory na kami. Dito tayo namatay kanina.
We've already surpassed half the players. Let's keep
Nasaan ba yung mga nalipad? Oh my gosh, si Protical. Yung nakakampi natin kanina nag-carry sa akin. Saan ba yung mga nalipad? Wala nang nalipad. May tao?
I just shattered their shield into pieces. Wait. Gotta reload. Enemy down.
Actually, gusto ko pumunta dun sa bomb hole. Kaso nagalaw na pala yung zone.
Stock over here. Level 4.
Alis na tayo dito. May naririnig akong footsteps.
I just shattered their shield into pieces. Trouble over here. Requesting reinforcements. Enemy down. Enemy down. Restoring shield.
Tara, dito tayo sa cannonball. Siyempre, mag-aano muna ako bago mag-cannon. Maglulut.
I just shattered their shield into pieces. Now that's a perfect curtain call.
Pumatay muna sila. Ako nag-loot. Busy pa mag-loot. Wala namang magandang loot dito.
Shield recharging. Safety comes first on stage.
Somebody's still outside the next safe zone. If only leveling up outside were this easy.
Hmm. Wala na akong inventory. Hindi na ako makaloot.
Pantapon here.
A new Reaper has arrived.
Ay, panda. Nasaan yung panda?
Watch out for the enemy Reaper. Special mod here. There's a tactical shot here. Tactical glove here.
Oh, shoot. I dodge. I'm sorry, guys.
Through their shield. To save the day. I'm under attack.
Uy, meron pa dun sa
Of the battle.
sa right side. Meron pa sa right side.
I'll get you back in the spotlight.
Dami. Sniper. Ata yan. The worst nightmare of loot masters. Yung
I'm down. Can someone help me? I'm down. Can someone help me? I just shattered their shield into pieces. Shield recharging. Safety comes first.
mapuno ang backpack. Don't worry. Buhay pa yung isa natin teammate. Uy, yun. Andun yung mga kalaban.
I'm down. Can someone help me?
Busy mang ano yung kampe namin, no? Pumatay. Yan ata yung ano eh. Yan ata yung frontrunners. Man! Wait lang. Anong oras na ba? Okay, last na talaga. Isa na lang talaga. Last na. Henty. Okay. Ayan, 15 minutes. Last na talaga. Talagang talaga. Oh my gosh, tingnan nyo, hindi kasi ako nakakalaro pa. Lobby. Let's start. Start to. Sige, sa susunod ano bang gagawin ko? Hindi ko alam. Okay, kailangan ko na mag-practice ng VSS. Ay, nasa third person ulit tayo.
That's the good stuff. Replay. Music to my ears.
Let's go. Saklap naman nun, di makapatay.
Lightcatchers, welcome to the
Friends?
Farlight Cup.
One's plenty.
Go. Wow! Ganda naman. Wow! Ooh! Real cute. Wow, witch!
Preparations are over. Let the bat
Number 37, Kuku. Front runner, Si Azur, ayan yung mga front runner. Si Wakalawal. Number 6 sa Malaysia. Uy, dun sa malayo yung kakampi natin. Kaya pala kakaiba kasi naka third person nga pala.
Looks like we're all in the safe zone.
I need scarf.
Choosing skill traits
What's
should be
this?
done carefully. But you shouldn't hesitate to let them.
Ba't malungkot ang face?
attention. Ex-Universe have arrived.
Yay, meron na akong ano.
They've got the upper.
Excellent. Everyone's made it to the safe zone as planned.
I'm taking heavy fire. Reloading.
Pick a trait.
Ba't ganun? Hindi ko yung nakita.
What'll help me punish my next opponent.
Found a hornet pistol.
Hornet pistol. Hindi pwede. Kapag nakita ako lang, doon ko lang siya gagamitin. Kailangan mag-practice ako mag-aim.
Hornet pistol.
Hunting goggles
May footsteps.
Pick a trait. What'll help me punish my next opponent?
Yun. Katakot may kalaban.
That little one's shield just vanished.
Oh my gosh. Daming kalaban. Scary, 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 scary. Pingi mochi. Walang mochi.
Skyland teleporter here. Let's check
Saan
it
yung
out.
Skyland teleporter? Gusto ko rin.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully, but you shouldn't hesitate forever.
No cooking. Hello, you're only person. Hindi. I'm cooking deaths.
Found the cargo drone. Let's see if it's worth salvaging. To have another's fate in the palm of my hand. A most particular thrill. Pick a trait. What'll help me punish my next opponent?
Walang keycard.
Keycard located.
Nasaan?
Monster box is open. Come
Hindi
check
ko
it out.
makita. Walang nalipad-lipad. Nakuha na yung keycard? Ay.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully, but you shouldn't hesitate forever.
Yay, pengi ako dyan ng magandang baril.
We're nearly to the safe zone, just the way I like it.
SMG.
Just half the squads are left.
Wala ako nagustuhan.
Attention. A super buddy is inbound.
Oh my gosh.
Look, over there.
Everyone should start from the bottom. That's the only way to learn how painful it is to fall.
Oo, ganito pala itsura niya kapag umaakyat.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully, but you shouldn't hesitate forever.
Wait lang, ano ba yung sa akin? Surgical mask. Lumabas na sila. Ako rin lalabas na.
Seconds, and we're almost in the
Ay, oo nga. Bakit pala invader yung ano ko? Wait lang, pipili muna ako ng isa pa. Ibang gun. Ayoko ng invader. Yo, bloop step. M16. Ikisa ito ng M4.
got him.
Ay,
Was that shield made
wait lang.
reloading? Don't rush me.
Papalitan ko na lang to.
Enemy down.
Mali. Hindi yung PV9 pistol. Yun.
What'll help me punish my next
Uy,
opponent?
third person na siya. Nasa third person kami eh. Palabas-labas akong stream kasi nasa meeting. Oh my gosh.
Look, over there.
On the way, on the way. Hala, andito na yung zone.
Got him. Who was the shield made of paper? Knocked down an enemy. Getting ammo. Enemy down.
Time to reload. I'll be back on stage in a jiffy.
Ay, baliktad pala. May kalaban. Mukhang wala namang kalaban.
Location change. Be careful not to go to the
Over
wrong
here.
place.
Perfect spot to throw down.
Pick a trait? What'll help me punish my...
I just shattered their shield into pieces. Wait. Gotta reload.
Let's go. Am I the only one who thinks nakaboss mo si Cecilia Amer Green? Huh? Hindi ko yung kilala. May 11 ka na mag-end. Di pa ako full, but...
Enemy down.
Reloading. Don't rush me.
Nagpapatayan sila.
One left to worry about. Quick work of their
Yes, nakakapatay tayo.
Now that's a perfect
Yay!
shatters their shield into pieces. 30 seconds. Now that's a perfect curtain call.
Pick a
Grabe yung
trait.
tutok, parang champion.
What'll help me punish my next opponent?
Shield made of paper.
Three enemy squads
Just took down a whole squad. Reloading.
Try mo na lang i-search. Pakinggan mo yung boses niya. Petal Peeper. Wait lang. May nagbukas na nung sponsor box.
Shield recharging.
May Petal Peeper ako.
On stage.
Ha? Di ko pala nahuli yung Petal Peeper? Ano ba naman yan? Oh my gosh. Paano ko to maalis? Oh my gosh.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully, but you shouldn't hesitate forever.
What the freak? Nakakalito naman! Nalilito ako dun. Yay! Nice G. At least nakaano ako. Nakabaril. Nalito ko dun kasi ang tagal kong nandun sa yun? Yung portable platform thingy. Hindi ko maalis. Tapos wala pala yung Petal Peeper, hindi ko pala nahuli. Oh my gosh. Anyways, battle record. Titingnan natin yung last one. Ito ba yun? Ito ba yun? Yung last na laro. Hindi ata yun eh. Yun, at least nakabaril ako. Ay, hindi yan yun eh. Wala akong nabaril. Saan na yun? Ba't wala? Ba't hindi ko makita? Ito ba talaga yun? 82 lang talaga yung ko. Hindi ba 82 yung kanina? Huh? Am I tripping? What the heck? Anyways, nice G. Nice G, nice G. Giling. 72. 650 para makuha siya.
Entering free.
Oh, wala talaga yung battle record. Paano pa mag-refresh to? Average rating. 2059. Headshot rate 2.5. Most kills 5. Wala pa po yung record ng last. Uy, oh. Wow, mataas na yung hero power ng niya. Career achievements. Wait, taas na ba yun? Gusto ko makita. Ayun na. Ay, wala pa rin. Ayun, ito na. 4. Yes! At least, meron akong nagawa. Yay! Nice G, nice G. I'm gonna read donations and then I shall end stream. Ayaw gumana nung drawing tab. Ayun na. Oh. Yan. At naayos na rin yung monitor. Hindi na siya nagtitilt. So, let's read. PJ59 sent heart me. PJ59 sent fire. Thank you so much, PJ59. Xiaopang sent heart me. Xiaopang sent go popular. Thank you so much, Xiaopang. PJ59 sent TikTok. Times 4. PJ59 sent go popular. Times 3. Thank you so much, PJ59. Kujo Lee sent heart me. Thank you so much, Kujo Lee. Ace Hopad sent heart me. Thank you so much, Ace. Sid sent heart me. Thanks so much, Sid. Washi sent heart me. Thanks so much, Washi. Mr. Fahrenheit sent heart me. Thanks so much, Mr. Fahrenheit. Yay! Thank you all so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next time. Bye-bye! Thank you po. Parang nanghina nung di nakalaro ng matagal. Bye-bye! Tatry ko na pala i-upload yung VOD cause I forgot uli. But yeah, I'll upload. Bye-bye!